Hi, today we're talking about the phrase agree with somebody. It means you share the same opinion as someone. For example, if your friend says, I like pizza, and you also like pizza, you agree with your friend. Remember, after agree, always use with before the person. You say, I agree with you, not I agree you. You cannot put anything between agree and with. This phrase is used when you want to say you have the same thoughts or feelings as someone else. You can use it in many situations, at work with friends or family. For example, I agree with his idea. Or, do you agree with me? It's a simple way to show you think the same way. Agree with is different from agree on and agree to. Use agree on when talking about a decision or topic. Use agree to when accepting a proposal or offer. Practice by saying sentences like, I agree with my teacher, or she agrees with her parents. Try not to forget the word with. That's the key to using this phrase correctly. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and you'll get better every day. See you next time.